Happy birthday, Lolo Ken.
Happy birthday, Lola Ken.
I love you po.
Love you po.
Hello po, Tito Michael. Happy birthday po. Ingat po palagi po kayo dyan.
Hi, Tito Michael. Happy birthday. So, my birthday message for you is a bit long. I need to write it down. And I cannot promise that this message for you don't have drama. Okay, so I know this celebration came a little late, but honestly, it doesn't matter, because what's important is that we get to celebrate you. Even though you've been away from us, I want you to know that we always think about you. We miss your stories and, of course, your presence. All the things that makes family gathering feels complete. You've always been more than just a tito to me. So you've been someone I look up to, someone who inspires me to be kind, to be hardworking, to be strong and family-centered. And that's you. I just want to say endless thank you for everything you've done for our family, for all the sacrifices you've made, and for the love you continue to show us even from afar. I hope tonight reminds you how loved and appreciated you are by your family, by our family, and the important people there with you, especially, of course, Tita Ethel. I wish you good health, happiness, success, and inner peace, and also that you will be healed, or every one of us will be healed on all the things that hurt us that we don't talk about. We're proud of you, Tito. Happy birthday. We love you, and that is always. Thank you.
Hi Tito, happy 50th birthday. I just want to say happy birthday, and please enjoy your day, enjoy your day off, and thank you for always being there, for being supportive, for taking care of us, your family. Thank you for your hard work and everything you do for us. Yeah, just enjoy your day, and we appreciate everything you do for us. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Tito. Happy birthday. Just want to say thank you and to appreciate all the things you've done for us, and wishing you good health. I love you.
Surprise! Good morning, Kuya. Happy birthday. We love you. God bless you more always. Take care.
Hi, Kel. Happy birthday. Thank you thank you na dito ka nag-celebrate ng 50th birthday mo. Mula sa puso, mahal na mahal ko. Love you.
Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Michael. Oh. Sana maging malakas ka dyan. Safety. Oh. Tayo as dito. 50 taon ka na. Trila in Manila Doctors. maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Michael. Kami nila nanay, Ate Mayla, Arcadio, Eduardo Jr., Edong, lalong-lalo na si Rizal, Si Popong. Ganon din si Aiden, yung pinakamamahal mong apo. Lolo Michael. Muli, ingat kayo dyan ni Ethel, Amerika. Kami dito, ayos lagi sa gabay ng Panginoon at dakilang Ama. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Michael. Nagmamahal, dumadalangin, at nagpapasalamat. Maligayang kaarawan.
Happy birthday, Michael. I love you. Sana maging healthy ka. Alagaan mo sarili mo. Lalong-lalo na yung karamdaman. Alagaan mo. I-exercise ka. Salamat sa lahat ng binibigay mo sa amin. Thank you, Michael. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.